All right, so to begin, what are the rules for fingerspelling? Okay, so there is a proper technique. When you're fingerspelling, you're going to use your dominant hand, the hand that you write with, and you're going to have your elbow kind of toward your side, not like all the way tucked in, but next to your side, comfortable. And your hand is going to be up, see that? Up here, sitting straight up, comfortable. You're going to be fingerspelling in a syllable format. So it's not, don't pay attention to letter, 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 letter. It's more syllables. So if you wanted to do fingerspell the word proper, you would do P-R-O, slight pause, P-E-R, because those are the syllables, proper. You do not mouth each individual letter. You do not. If you mouth anything, you would mouth the syllable, proper. You would not P-R-O-P-E-R. You don't do that. You focus on your form, making sure that your hands are doing the right hand shape, not speed. Speed is not the most important thing. The most important thing is signing it correctly. Believe it or not, the vast majority of deaf and hard of hearing individuals are going to care a lot more that you are doing it correctly or trying to do it correctly than if you're signing fast. That's much more important to them. When you're fingerspelling, you do not want to bounce up and down or go forwards or go to the side. You want to keep your hand just straight. Now, obviously, when the hand shape has to go down, you're going to move your hand a little bit more, but you're going to keep it in this general area. You're not going to bounce it.